Welcome back, physics fans, and we're going to do a projectile question here on the little harder side for physics 12 here, maybe physics 11ers if they want a challenge. Here we go. A projectile is launched at 70 meters per second, 70 degrees above the horizontal. How many seconds till it is traveling at 30 degrees above the horizontal, and what speed will it be traveling at? So it is launched. And it's not even landing, it's just at a particular time. So it is launched at 70 at an angle of 70. So let's bring its components into our calculations here. This will be 70 sine 70, and this will be 70 cosine 70. And let's pull up the calculator. There we go. Hello, Mr. Calculator. Let's go, oh, that's right, I guess I hit it twice. 70 sine 70, enter, 70 cosine 70, and get these two numbers in here, answers. So vertically it is at 65 point, we'll bring it back up, 77, 78. And horizontally is 23.94. 23.94 meters per second. And that's meters per second up. So we want an angle of 30 degrees. So if this is going to be 30 degrees, and this is, pardon me, still going to be 23.94, because the horizontal component does not change, we need to calculate both the vertical and the hypotenuse here. So we'll use the, let's do the hypotenuse first, and that's going to be the cosine. The cosine of 30 degrees is going to be the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and that's going to be 23.94 all over h. So h is going to equal 23.94 divided by the cosine of 30. So I will pull up the calculator here, take my last number there, and divide it by the cosine of 30. And I will have the speed that it's traveling at, the hypotenuse. This will be 27.65. 27.65 meters per second. And now we need to find out the vertical component. So we could Pythagorize it, take this squared, subtract that squared. I might just do that instead of doing trig here. Let's take the square root of that number squared, subtract the 23 squared, and did I hit squared? I don't know, did I hit square? Well, let's just do it again. Did I hit square? Is that the answer that you got? No, that looks about right. Let's just write that down. Let's pretend that's right. Let's see if that's it. I went so fast. 13.82 meters per second up. So vertically, the initial speed is 65.78, and the final speed is 13.82 vertically. These are both up. So the time will be the change in velocity over the acceleration. So we find the difference between those two and divide it by 9.8. So we'll take 65 and we'll subtract 13, and we get 51.96 all over 9.8, so get about 9.3 seconds divided by 9.8. Oh, sorry, 5.3. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed that. Smash that like button. Subscribe.